Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a Pinterest business account to promote your brand and access analytics and advertising tools, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit business.pinterest.com to begin creating your business account. Step 2. Click on Join as a Business or Create Account to start the registration process. Step 3. Enter your email address and create a strong password for your Pinterest business account. Step 4. Provide your business name or brand name as you want it to appear on Pinterest. Step 5. Select the country or region where your business is located from the drop-down menu. Step 6. Choose your business type and industry from the categories provided to help Pinterest suggest relevant features. Step 7. Describe your business and what you plan to do on Pinterest, such as sharing products, driving website traffic, or building brand awareness. Step 8. Accept Pinterest's terms of service and privacy policy, then click Create Account. Step 9. Complete your profile by adding a profile picture, business description, and website URL. Verify your website to gain access to analytics and other business features. Start creating boards and pins to engage your audience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.